In today's episode of Bottom Gear, we fit an AP1 S2000 steering wheel to the shitbox Honda Jazz GD model. That guy sands his bumper again. And I do some skits, fucking airbag modifications. Give him one of these. Let's sort out this wiring. This rat's nest right here. Do some fixes, make it a bit more, you know, less shit. Let's dive into it, shall we? Here's the old engine harness. Yeah, that's going in a bin, a whole lot. Let's fuck it off. Alrighty, let's have a look here. Got the pin outs. Alrighty, so I've knocked the fuel off the ECU connector. There's this plug that goes into this one. Don't you just love all this old wiring harness tape? Like the stickiness of it? Oh man, it's just my favorite thing in the world. While rummaging through all this crap, found the short my ignition had just before I disassembled the car. Yeah, it's not looking too good. It's just shit. That's why you just replace all the wiring in your old car or enjoy it burn to the ground. Almost there. We just gotta track that one down. He goes to this motherfucker. So, mission complete. We have removed all of the trash that we do not need. Fuck that off. We can wire in our aftermarket ECU, whichever one we get. New product. Big drawers. Let's install. Put them on this side, battery on top. Holes marked. Let's give them a fucking. Oh yeah, that's that shit boy. Reloading. Holes are drilled, bolts are inserted. Now we're just gonna chuck that there, like so. I'm gonna do this real quick. Marketplace bargain of the century, boy. 150 bucks. Yeah, boy, Lee. Here we have new awning, UHF, inverter, some fuses, fuse box, awning room thing, something, who knows. Battery, new fridge. Whoa! It's mounted fully, pretty sturdy. That'll do the job, boilies. Now we're gonna fuck this rear seat off and do some funky stuff. Just got some rubber cable tie there. This guy will just chill on the little rubber feet up here. Alright, she's all mounted, boilies. Yeah. A million beers fit in there, boys. Now, I can't really remember how to do... Wait, do that again.
I'm gonna need you to bend over.
I've done Fiberglass before, can't remember how to do it, but can't be too hard. We need to patch up, where is it? We need to patch this up. Dan Black's A86 front bar, bit of a in transit. Fuck around to find out. 2 million year old resin. Some of it's still good. And we got that, we got him, and we got that. We just threw a concoction of that and this into that, and we're gonna try it. Fucking on a big cock, you gotta stock yourself. As long as we can use all of that before it turns into stone. That's gonna give you stage 18 cancer, smelling that.
Fuck yeah, I hope so. One can only wish.
Alright, fuck it. Looks like we're painting again. Jack's over fenders. Here, give him a bit of bargain. Primer. This guy, Fiberglass team up. Just gonna high fill it. Got my slave spraying away. Priming these shit. Yeah, the boilies. One you.
Slowly building it up. It's getting a bit better. And I reckon the 2-pack paint should fill that. So I'll do a few more coats with the primer and then I'll be able to flatten it out when we sand it. She's nice and strong, no fucking bog required, all fiberglass.
Let's have a squeeze. Oh.
That should be enough to sand it.
Painting interior bits on the DMAX and the Big Mac. Here's the old headliner. Gross, yuck, filthy, looks pox as. That's fucking yuck. Oh, hell no.
Escom.
It's third and final coat for our headliner. Okay. Let's go. Oh shit. Oh, we're gonna have to get a new bottle in a minute. It's misfiring. Oh my god, stop misfiring. Right. Let's go. Alright, Alright.
We literally have like really good quality masks as well that are just sitting over there. We don't want to use up the filters to stop us from inhaling whatever this is. I can't fucking do it.
My guy's done. Oh, he's got a mask on. I'm about to pass away. I'm gonna die soon. That's how many brain cells I have left. Not many. I can get it. Bit of pest control, eh? Whoop. Oh, I dropped it. Alright, come with me. Get a bit of water. Gotta drink some water sometimes. Chuck them all in. Let's see how it looks. Way better. Look at that. Honda's special socket you need? Ha! More like vice grip. Let's go. If it explodes, it explodes.
You're about to lose your ball sack.
No. Bang! Bang!
Explodes.
I'm gonna do the big shuffle today. Give one of these. Oh, fuck. Here he goes. Look at this bad boily. This is kind of stupid, but fuck it. That's what we want to bog this too. Looks pretty bad. Bit of this.
You missed the spot.
Up.
Oh.
I don't care.
That's gone.
Whoa. Primed of. It'll do, donkey.